Hello and welcome to Polish Teach English channel. Here I show DIYs on how to create wonderful household items from fabric scraps. I have some fabric hems piled up, and that's a motivation to sew a beautiful recycled piece. I decided to combine the hems with denim. So I'm preparing the pattern. Firstly, I draw a heart on a piece of paper, then I put the basis fabric over it and copy the pattern to the fabric. Or you can simply cut the heart out, place it on top of the fabric and circle it. When sewing, I need to go beyond this contour by about 1 to 2 centimeters. In the center of the base, we put the brightest, the most beautiful patch of pentagonal shape, and we begin to sheathe it with our colorful fabrics. The edges of the hems are already processed, so we sew immediately on the front side. Cut off the excess pieces. The sewing technology is called crazy. The colors of the patches are a complete improvisation. However, I will still take darker fabrics in the center of the composition. If the cut has an open edge, then it can be simply folded and stitched. As we fill in the base, focus on the drawn outline. It is enough if we step a centimeter over the edge. My heart. As an auxiliary material, you can take a non-woven cleaning cloth and draw a contour on it. We cut out, taking the seam allowances into account, 1.5 to 2 centimeters. The base fabric is prepared. We will determine the place where we will place our application. Let's prepare the pattern. Cut out a desired hole. Check how the colored part will look. There are no empty areas. Then we apply our yellow auxiliary part to the denim part, in the right place, and pin it with pins. We lay a line along the contour of the heart. Now let's cut out the inside of this part. Leave a small seam allowance. We will make an incision along the inside so that this part can be turned out well and cleanly. The cuts must be made along the outer contour, and only the yellow part will need to be trimmed. Sew the contour of the heart with a needle and thread, and then iron it well. It looks much better. We will stitch the edges with pins, and we will lay a line along the edge. If you are a beginner, it is better to first sew these parts with a needle and thread, because if something goes wrong, then your application may simply fall out. We sewed the finishing line without back tacks. And in order to prevent the seam from unraveling, we bring the ends of the threads to the wrong side, tie together and cut them. After that, remove the hand-stitched thread. We have a little yellow outline, and it's a part of a design. It provides additional decorative effect to the work. Alright, I showed you an idea of how to perform a reverse application, which you can use for a decorative pillow, a bag, a jacket, or Mask holes in the knees of torn jeans. I'm still thinking what I'll use this application for. Maybe you can suggest something? I hope you've liked the DIY and enjoy creating a piece in this technique for your family. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, like and comment this video. See you in the next episode.